The humiliation in here stinks.
This is all your fault, Plankton. I'm gonna pinhole your face at lunchtime.
Why wait? Let's take a coffee break. Ow!